Hello friends, in this video I will show how to reset Microsoft Store cache in Windows 11. So first way, click on Start, search here WS Reset, search or type here WS Reset, then best match, click on this command. Now wait for a few seconds. Another way, click on Start and search add or remove programs. Now here find out Store. This one, click on these three dots, advanced options. Now here, if this store not working, so repair it, and if you need to reset, so just click here reset. This will permanently delete the app's data, so make sure and click on reset. So this is the way guys you can reset Microsoft Store cache in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.